Hi everyone, welcome back to Rain and Pours. I'm Mitch and today I'm copying last week's colour theme, or this week's colour theme, and I'm doing a rainbow pour but over a black base. Now, I did this last week and it looks pretty damn good. I'm pouring on a large tabletop base that I plan to add legs to and make into a table. And the colours I am using are all This Little Piggy pigments. So I have Submarine, Lemon Sorbet, Rosé, Persephone, Majesty, Unicorn, Billabong, Parakeet, Mint Chip, and this one is a custom mix of sapphire, sequins, and glisten for a really nice deep purple. And I have 3 cell activators, but I think I'm only going to use black for this one. So last time I used the Fluoro Opera Pink from Liquitex in Gouache, and I used Matisse Cobalt Teal. And I've just knocked my stick into my wet paint, but today I'm just going to use the Amsterdam Carbon Black. So let's get these off the board, let's get some pillow down and let's get pouring. The base I'm using today is British Paints Exterior Low Sheen 4 Seasons Protect in black. It is already tinted black, which makes it super easy for pours. And it's the perfect consistency straight out of the tin for blooms and bloom swipes. So let's give this a good centering. Let's give it a spin to even things out. We want a nice thin base for swipes, so that way we're not bringing up too much pillow and our cells don't warp too much. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit to the edge. We do still want enough paint to get all the way to the edges. Not fussed about bubbles. And let's put down our colour. So I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. I'm going to layer them all in the middle and then swipe it out and see what we get. So let's do a little bit of Submarine. And let's put this one all the way along. And then Lemon Sorbet. Lemon Sorbet throws off the most beautiful gold colour shift. And if you want to buy any of the Little Piggy pigments that I'm using today, or if you would like to buy any of the mixing sticks, the baby cups, anything that you could need from Fluid Art Co, you can get, or for Fluid Art, you can get those at fluid-art.co. Now Persephone, going to go on top, and just a little bit over here. And we're going to mottle what we're putting down now. Then I want my dark custom purple. Then let's do Billabong. We're going to go Rosé. Let's go with Mint Chip. Oops. Unicorn. I love Unicorn, it's such a pretty colour and it's got a beautiful colour shift to it. Let's do Majesty. And finish up with Parakeet. And I wanted parakeet on top for that brilliant pop of lime green. Okay, and then I think I want to finish with just a little bit more lemon sorbet. Okay, now I'm going to go around the edge and just blend everything in because our paint does dry incredibly fast here and I don't want a ring to form around the edge here. So I'm just rubbing that in. Okay. Now we're going to get our black cell activator and I'm going to put that directly onto my swipe tool and I'm going to swipe this out. Okay, this is looking fantastic. I'm loving this, and I'm wondering if this is cell activator or if this is paint. So I'm going to give it a little puff to find out. That is indeed cell activator. So let's give this a little bit of a spin and see what happens. I am just going to blend my edges again so I don't get weird lumps. Okay, give it a spin. Might need a little bit more paint on these sides to get that flowing. And a little bit more down here. I know where all that pillow went. That's better. I love that little bit of negative space, but with the counterbalance on that side, it was just not enough balance for me. But I'm really happy with how this has turned out. I've got some awesome color blending going on. And when you look at it from different angles, you get all sorts of different colors. So this is going to be a success. I'm going to set this one aside to dry, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes time to resin. So if you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.